You ready?
Oh, we talk to each other?
No, you go get the shoes you bought this week. I'm gonna get my shoes and then we'll talk about it.
That's not fair.
Why?
It wasn't a good week for me.
The shoe guy's been good to me this week. I got three. I'll go first since I have the most. These are Air Jordan Retro 11s. Low. Here the snake. These on the side.
I thought that was gonna be like feel like snake skin.
Yeah, that's how they're looking inside, and this is the bottom. I'm gonna go again since I have
Go ahead.
more than you.
No, let me go.
No.
Let's open it at the same time.
No, these are Nike Dunk Lows Proby parachute base.
Oh, those kind of cute right there.
Look.
That's kind of cute right there. The gum bottom.
All right, come on. Together. This is a classic right here. Yep. What y'all call them in Atlanta?
Dion.
Oh, y'all call them Dion's?
Yeah.
I'm from Houston. I'm from Houston. We
I'm
call
from
them.
Atlanta.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Tune in next Wednesday. We'll show y'all our new pickups. Say bye, Courtney.
Peace. You used to do the backhead valve.
Show me.